Hey everyone, today we're unboxing one of the new Seiko Presages just to launch here in the US. This is the SSA379. Let's take a look at this bad boy. This one comes in the more decorative white box instead of the black white boxes. It's a little bit bigger, you can see here. And the Seiko logo. And there we go. First of all, it's a really striking watch when you first look at it. Really nice. I'll get into details about the face in a little bit when we take a closer look at it. But overall, really handsome. It looks a little different than the other Presages, but you know, it's a step in the right direction. Very, very nice overall. Well, let's take a closer look at this. Okay, so let's talk about this face. See that pattern there on the side where the Seiko logo is? That was designed and was inspired by Japanese Zen gardens. You know, when they take the rake and make patterns in the sand. And it's something very different you don't see on a watch. It's nice that Seiko is adding their culture directly into the face of the watches. Going from the past and looking into the future. And then you can see the art of watchmaking with the open heart design. Alright, let's see what else this watch has to offer. Here we're taking a look at the movement. It is a Presage, so it has a gold rotor with it, and this, like other Presages, is a 4R movement. This is a caliber 4R39. And with the open heart design, really pretty. Here you can see the watch is a little bit tall. The watch size itself is almost 42 millimeters. The thickness of it is kind of thick. It's between 11 and 12 millimeters. And this Presage is a little different. It doesn't have that fox crystal that you see on the other ones. This one has more of a dome crystal inside. And there you can see the strap and the clasp. Overall, this is a really nice wristwatch, different than most things you probably have on your collection. There you can see it on my wrist, even though it's 42 millimeters, and I've got about a 7.5 inch wrist. It doesn't overpower it. The only thing is the thickness, again, maybe for a dress watch. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and take a good look at this watch with me. See you guys next time. Thank you.